Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Likee account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Likee account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in likee.video like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Likee login like this on the Google itself and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see there is the Likee.video. Click over there and you can see this is the home page of Likee. Similar to this one, this is also the home page of Likee and with a good picture. And so since both of these pages are the same, so let's close one of these. Now to log into your Likee account, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the login option available at here. Click on login, and after that you can see you'll be required to enter your phone number over here, and after that enter the 6-digit code which will be sent to you by Likee. Or you can just simply log into your Likee account with your email which you have registered. Enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Likee account from your email. Or if you want to log into your Likee account with your Facebook or your Google or your VK account from over here, you can see this is the authentication of VK. If you log into your VK account from over here, you will also log into the Likee account with your VK account similarly with the Facebook and the Google. If you log into your Facebook or your Google ID over here, you will also be logged into your Likee account with your Facebook or your Google account, depending upon which one you logged into it. Or if you have not yet created an account on Likee, simply click on sign up to go through a procedure to create an account on Likee. And there guys, this is how you log into your Likee account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.